In today's video, we'll be showing you how to recharge the air conditioning system in a 2003 to 2008 FX35 or FX45 vehicle. With the hood open, continue to remove the brake fluid cover. With the cover removed, continue to remove the cap off the low side system. Thread the AC charging hose to the refrigerant canister here. Connect this side to the low side hose on the pickup. With the one side of the hose connected to the low side of the system, the other side of the hose connected to the refrigerant canister, you can see the gauge is currently reading at a red reading. We have not yet started the truck, so go ahead, start the truck, turn on the AC to max. You can see there's still warm air coming out of here because we haven't yet opened the canister all the way. So we're going to go ahead and go back to the front of the engine bay and slowly open that canister and see where we're at for pressure. As you can see, the gauge is now reading in the green area. So we're going to go ahead and dump some more of this canister through this valve right there. So go ahead and open that counterclockwise to allow the refrigerant to enter the system and make sure you still stay within the green. Now there's only one of me here, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the camera for a second while I go ahead and loosen that side of the canister, allowing myself to recharge this side of the system a little bit more so we're higher up in the green. Now with the AC on full blast, I've gone ahead and opened up that canister all the way, and we're holding steady at looks about 36 psi or so, roughly around there. So we're still in the high part of green. We could have put a little bit more of another can in there, but this will be good enough to keep us in there because the coolant, there's no leak on this truck. The coolant was just low due to age. If you come back in the truck and you feel the vents, now we have ice cold air. We are good to go. Like I said, if you want, you could put another partial can in here, but we're not gonna go ahead and do that. Now all you need to do is disconnect the valve from this end here, which purges the can. This can is now empty, so we can go ahead and chuck that or recycle it. Go ahead, we're gonna go ahead and replace our cover on that side of the low side, put our brake fluid cover back on the engine compartment, and then this truck is now ready for the summer heat.